It's week 8 of Can I Monetize This Channel? And I have to say, this week has been a bit of a roller coaster ride. One day, at the beginning of the week, I think it was Monday, suddenly, for no reason that I can dream of, I started getting quite a few subscribers, new ones. And my channel grew in subscribers from 83 to 100 by Tuesday. And I have no reason to think that anything new happened. Nobody recommended my channel. But I did get an awful lot of subscribers, which was really lovely. And of course, since then I went up to 105 and then, well, it started dropping again. So, I think what you have to realize is that you might get these subscribers, but for some reason they unsubscribe, and that is the way of things. So I decided the other day that I wasn't going to worry about how many people had subscribed. I'm not going to chase I'm going to get monetized in 10 weeks or something like that, because it's just not going to happen. I think I'm going to be a slow burner. But what I did think was that those people that have subscribed to me and stuck around are my real members of the ladies club, and that is lovely. I can't be held hostage to the whim of somebody who really just came across this channel and clicked the subscribe button in an error and then doesn't watch the videos. So I just have to be realistic and think, if it's going to happen, it will happen. And if it doesn't, so be it. I am in the lucky position that I don't need to get monetized. I don't need the money, but I thought it would be fun. Plus, I thought it would actually give those other people of my baby boomer generation some impetus to think that they could do it as well. Actually, I think they could do it better. I do struggle with keeping things in my brain that I've learned one week, and by the next week I have to relearn them, which is a little disconcerting, I can tell you. I never used to be like that. This is a new thing for me. So this week I have ordered myself a teleprompter so that I don't sound quite so disorganized. We'll see how that goes. We'll see if that improves anything. It probably won't, and I'll send it back. But, you have to give these things a try. The other thing I watched the other day was on Bev Thorogood's channel, Generation Extraordinary. And she did a tutorial on how to use or how to make professional looking videos. Now, whilst I don't think that's going to happen for me, I did see an app that she used called Descript. And this Descript app seemed like some manna from heaven. So I am going to subscribe to that next week for a year and see how I get on with it. It does seem to have a lot of things that are problematic for me right now, like having to edit out all the and ahs and and all those filler words that I seem to use to allow my brain to recalibrate and allow it to, the speech that I want to use to come out of my mouth. So we shall see. But in the meantime, these are my stats for this week. And some of them seem good. Some of them are not so good. But there you go. What can I do? Not a lot. Also, I have got on one of those hamster wheels where I keep on watching training videos by younger folk, and everyone seems to say you must be consistent, you must do this, you must do that. But actually, at my age, I have health issues that I have to take into consideration, or that make me take them into consideration. You know, one day I might be well, but for some reason the next day I might not. And the last thing I can be doing is making a video for YouTube. It just isn't a possibility if I'm exhausted. So I have to really take my health into consideration and give myself a sick note for that day and do the very best that I can. And that's what I've decided to do from now on. Otherwise, I'm the sort of person that constantly worries. I worry that I'm not keeping up my output. I worry that I'm not good enough. I worry that I'm worrying. I mean, you know, I definitely am a person who likes sitting on that rocking horse and thinking I'm getting somewhere, but I'm not, obviously, as you can see. So, these are my figures for this week, and thank you. As you can see, these are my new stats for the last 28 days. The watch time is up. It's 14% more. The subscribers are fewer than the last time, 63% less than the last time. But that was that little uptick that I had on Tuesday, the 30th of July. It seemed to, for some reason, just increase, and I have absolutely no idea why that was. Watch time, watch hours, 14% more. That's good. And subscribers, as I've said. So, what's it say here? Content. Videos. Well, I've only got one short, and it's not a format that I think that I'll carry on with. 2 green arrows there. Impressions, 38.4 thousand times that they've showed my video to people, and I've got a click-through rate of 3%, which I suppose isn't so bad, is it? However, the average duration for my video watch time is 4.59 minutes, not even 5. So that needs to be improved on. Well, that day I got lots of new viewers. 210 new viewers, which was good. Returning viewers, the same as normal. So that's nice. I have to say that overall it's what it is. I can't do much about it. What do you do? Most of my viewers are in England. most of them are 65 plus, which is good actually, because that is the audience that I feel most aligned to. There are a few younger people. Also, to almost quote John Upton, if you have been, thanks for watching. Bye.